The Ubuntu desktop is easy to navigate through. In this lesson, we'll go over the features that are relevant towards server administration. At the top, we have the application menu. Here we can access a variety of applications, settings, and accessories that come with the package. For example, we have a terminal emulator that you can use to execute command lines on your Ubuntu server. So for example, I can execute an update command. There's also a built-in text editor that can be accessed under the accessories menu. The editor is called Mousepad. We can also adjust a variety of different system configurations under the settings menu. On the desktop, we have a trash bin, a file system shortcut, and home folder. Double-click on File System. Here we have access to many important system folders and files. To access your web root folder, double-click on the var directory and then www. Inside the HTML folder, we can see the index file, which comes default with Apache. Right-click on the index file, and you'll see a menu appears with options to rename, copy, cut, and delete the file. We can also open the file with Mousepad to make changes. Now go back to the var directory by clicking the back button. To view information about or change the privileges of a folder, right-click on it, select Properties. Under the General tab, we can see the size of the folder and all its contents. This folder has 3 items totaling 11.5 kilobytes. We can also see when it was last accessed and modified. Now click on the Permission tab. Here we can see the owner of a folder. In our case, we've given user Bob ownership of the web root folder and also elevated Bob's privileges to read, write, and execute. And so you can see that in this menu here. We can also see the permission settings for group users and all others. To change the permissions, simply click on the menu and modify the option. Now close the panel. As you can see, administering your server through a graphical desktop environment is easier than doing so through command lines, especially if you're not used to working with command lines. I'll exit the file system. When you're finished working with Ubuntu, click the Close button to terminate the VNC connection. Also exit any sessions you may have active with PuTTY.